everybody. What I'm going to be doing is we are going to be making a map with dice. And this right here is our setup. So you have resources in black, towns and cities in purple. Can't really see those colors, the difference in colors there. But then you have the blue water, green forest, the yellow up here is grasslands, mountains, and then the brownish red type is deserts over here. And then I've got these dice right here, which are two different colors, just to kind of add a little bit extra randomness in there. These dice are going to go in this bag, and then we will make our map. Now we have our map area here. And I'm going to mix our dice, open the bag, and kind of spread them out. Okay. So first things first, use a pencil to try to draw a couple of landmasses. Like this over here might be a small island, and then maybe this little area right here. So let's go ahead and do that. And this one's just going to be one huge landmass. Set. There we go. And then one here. And then we'll make all right. Now that we've got our order, basically, I'm going to go ahead and do the forest where the greens are. So we've got a huge thing of green right here. So, and then a lake. First, I'm going to draw that lake in with blue since it's one dice. That way we can go ahead and take it off of there so it'll be out of our way. And then forest. We're gonna move the little tree right here. And then we've got another set of trees right here, 4 and a 3. And then another lake. As I go, I am taking the dice off of here, just to help me keep things straight. And this is why I'm not a map maker. You see all that crap? Now, since there's kind of 3 right here, I'm going to make this a river. So we'll make it start right over here, kind of go along the shore, and down through here. The beginning and the end of the clock map. There we go. And this right here landed on the blue side, so I'm going to make this a small. And then here's a small lake over here, and then I'm going to make this another. Now then, to continue with the green with the forest, we got a forest right here. And then another one right here. Okay. The yellow is our grasslands. We've got one right here. You probably can't see much of that. one right here, one because the pen isn't working. So we'll use the highlighter. Got another one over here, and up here, and right here. And then this one right here was also a grassland. Okay. And this one here, since it's kind of greenish, this is another forest because it landed on the green spotted side. So we're going to put another forest right here. Sorry, I missed that before. Woohoo! All right. Orange was for our mountains. So we've got some mountains right here. And then right here are some mountains. Move that out of the way. So what I'm going to do over here is I'm just going to make the mountain range kind of go around this island. And then right here. And right here. The brownish red is going to be deserts. So I'm going to do deserts in like this swirly dune type. I think that's it for now. And we had purple set up as cities, and I'm going to use the numbers for the size of the city. So that's a 5. So it's kind of a medium. So I'll just do this right here. And that's also a 5. And this is a 2, so it'd be kind of like a small town or village. And then we have a 4 over here, and then a 7 right here, a 14 right here. So this can be like a castle or fortress or something like that. And right now it's looking like a freaking factory because I can't draw. And then another 7 here. I've noticed that there isn't anything over here on this island, so I'm just going to put a 1 right here just to give it a little something, and a 1 right here. The black is resources, and for some odd reason, all the resources went over here on this. And this is a 10, so I'm going to write the numbers right here. 12 for here, 1 for there, 4 for here, and 2 for here. That was a 9 for here. 7, and that was a 1. I'm going to give a resource to this one right here, and I just want to do a 1 for that. Now, because I'm map making here, we need to kind of figure out what these resources are going to be. I'm guessing this one right here, we'll make it a iron and mercury type deposit or something that I make up that is kind of related to that they can use. 1 is going to be like a calcium. This one will be like some other mineral, as well as this one. The 12 here is going to be gemstones / richest item. And the 7 will be, it's got mountains and forest here. So we'll do armor and weapon materials here. And then the 4 will be something a little bit like a mineral. Maybe this is like vitamins and something else. And then the 9 minerals. The 9 can be like the iron / building. And there we go. So as you can see, it's pretty simple to build a map with dice. All you have to do is have different colored dice. You can even do this by number if you want to, because if you have only 6-sided dice of one color, you can have 1 being water, you can have 5 being forest, you can have 3 being your grasslands, and so on and so forth. You don't necessarily have to have all these colors unless you do have them. And then after you get this through, you would go ahead and fill out names, like the name of the desert right here, the name of the grassland right here, the name of the town, the name of the village, the name of the little, maybe like hut-like encampment kind of thing there, and of course the big city here. And this one doesn't really have a big city over here, but this one does. So there's got to be something on this island that makes this big city viable. So you're going to have to think of that while you're naming these places and coming up with something for this island. Whereas this one right here, maybe it's still a little wild. It's got a lot of towns and stuff on it. So maybe there's a lot of wars over here. And that's the reason why none of these have really grown up and made big castles or cities or something like that. Take little things like that and build as you can. Like I said, the whole story with these towns being smaller instead of big like this one, maybe there's a lot of wars. Maybe this is like a brand new settlement, somebody coming from a county or an island way up here or something like that. Again, same with this one, you know, it's really small. Maybe since they don't really have any resources, they haven't really built up for anything. They're kind of like our tribes in our world. Maybe you can just continue to do stuff like that. That's how you make a map with dice. I'm probably going to be using part of this, this part, for a part of my world for the Daughter of Blood Gold that I'm going to be writing under S.W. Lupine, the pen name. Thank you for watching. Remember to be kind to one another. Be kind to yourself. Keep writing, being creative, and I will see you next time.